In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your Yahoo email following the 21-5 guide. Let's ensure your email is as secure as possible. We'll go through a few essential steps together, and by the end, you'll have a more secure Yahoo account. First, let's start by signing in to your Yahoo account. Navigate to Yahoo Mail and use your Yahoo ID and password to log in. If you don't have these details on hand, make sure you retrieve them carefully, as they'll be essential not just today, but consistently in managing your email account. Once you're logged in, it's crucial to bolster your account's security by enabling two-step verification. This is the strongest form of authentication available and an excellent way to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Start by clicking on your profile icon, located at the top right corner of the screen, and select Account Info. From the options available, go to Account Security and find the section to turn on two-step verification. Here, you'll need to enter your mobile phone number. Yahoo will send you a text message with a verification code. Enter it as prompted to confirm the setup. Moving forward, this means you'll require both your password and a phone verification code whenever you log in. It's a simple yet effective method to ensure that only you have access to your account. Next, if you ever use Yahoo services through other applications, like Outlook, Apple Mail, or Gmail, you'll need to generate an app password. From the account security page, find and select the option for creating an app password. This will generate a unique code specifically for those third-party apps. Make sure to copy this code. It will replace your main password when using those services. Always remember, these app passwords are specific to the application you'll use them for and add an additional layer of security when accessing Yahoo through other platforms. Now, let's make sure your recovery options are up to date. Still in the account security section, review your recovery phone number and recovery email address. Keeping these details updated is crucial, as they'll be key to recovering your account if you ever get locked out. It's a simple precaution that can save you a lot of trouble later on. Finally, take a moment to check your security settings, especially your recent activity. Here, review all devices that have access to your account and scrutinize any sign-ins that look unfamiliar. If you notice any suspicious logins, remove them immediately to ensure unauthorized users are kept out. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance the security of your Yahoo account, ensuring that your personal information and emails are well protected. Thank you for watching, and remember, staying vigilant with your online security is always a smart move.